Today, I'm gonna unbox my new ring fill light. Now let's see if this is worth the price. But hey, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get to the intro. Today, we're gonna be looking at my new ring light. This ring light has 3 different color modes or 3 different color temperatures to adjust the brightness. It has also a tripod and a cell phone holder. This is the tripod. Now the cell phone holder is inside a box. This is the picture of the cell phone holders. There's 3 of them. Well, 3 is better than 1. We'll just take what we have. So first, we're gonna unbox this tripod. Let's set this aside, this ring fill light, because we're gonna unbox this tripod first. I don't know how long this tripod is, but the best comparison for me is that this tripod is taller than me. So it's pretty tall. I am 5'7", and this tripod is pretty tall because it is taller than me. And this plastic, this tripod is extendable. It's not the same as the phone tripod, but this tripod is pretty long. It's like a studio light now, or a pool cue for some reason. It looks like a pool cue to me. I'm just gonna fold this back. It's pretty long. I'm just gonna undo this. Okay. Now let's get back to the ring light. I bought this ring light for 2,995 pesos. If you're gonna do some makeup photography, product photography, fashion photography, and video shooting, this ring light gets the job done. This is the phone holder. This phone holders holds your phone. Let's set this aside. This is the AC adapter. This AC adapter powers up the ring light. This AC adapter has 100 and 240 volts in the input, and for the output it has 12 volts. So I'm not gonna be worried in our electricity bill rising up when using this gadget. And this is the another cable to connect to the AC adapter. And last but not the least, the ring light. This ring light has an external diameter of 36 centimeters, while in the internal diameter it has 26 centimeters. And this is the buttons, and we have the color temperature, so you can adjust the color. And this is the DC for the AC adapter. Our ring light is almost set and ready to go. I'm just undoing these wires. And we're gonna have the first look of my new ring light. Now let's connect it to the DC. Let's turn on this ring light. So this is the minimum or the lowest brightness. Let's tweak it up. Yeah, I'm still going. And yep. And that is the max brightness of this ring light. It's pretty bright. It's really bright. We can adjust the colors. We can make it warmer and warmer. Yep. There you go. Alright. I know it's crazy. I am not ready and I'm new to this unboxing thing. This is my very first unboxing video. I'm still processing what I'm doing here. The unboxing thing, all that stuff. I'm still gaining experience, and I will try to improve the unboxing experience for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I am BlackShark. See you guys in the next video.